Hello, my name is Reina Marito from Cagayan Valley, Philippines. I'm 39 years old, married, blessed with 4 children, ages 17, 15, 12, and 9. My highest education attainment is college graduate. My expertise are taking care of newborn and children. I work as a domestic helper in Hong Kong for more than 3 years and currently finishing my contract this May. Currently I serve 1 couple and 2 kids. They are ages 5 and 3 years old. My duties are taking care of them and cooking this Chinese food, doing all the household works like cleaning, ironing, laundry. I am willing to take care of pets as well. To my future employers, mom and sir, please choose me as your housemaid because I am hardworking, honest, and I promise to be a good helper and prioritize my job and finish my contract or more. Thank you, mom and sir, and looking forward to work with you. Cancel mo.